entrepreneur ang ating makakasama, pero hindi tungkol sa kanyang profesyon ang ating pag-uusapan, kundi ang value of waiting for the right person to come along. Good morning, Mr. Toby.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Rise and Shine.
Thank you.
So you are in a very happy relationship naman.
I am.
Oh, that's nice.
It's amazing. Sobra.
Really?
First, kwento mo muna. How was the previous... Teka, are you married?
Yeah, I am. I've been married about 2 months. Newly married, last November lang.
Ay,
congratulations.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
I hope you... Ilan taong ka na ba?
I'm 30. 30 now.
Okay, so the ideal age to get married. So,
Yeah.
why is it that
why
our staff is very interested in your story? What was your relationship like before?
Well, my relationships were very messy, sa totoo lang, to say the least. I mean, in the past.
How many girlfriends did you have ba? Are we talking about a relationship, all the relationships that you had before, or just the last? In fairness to this,
No, it's if you're talking about girl and boy, boyfriend, girlfriend relationships, they're very messy talaga.
In your case,
in my case, yeah.
Before you found the one, her.
So how?
Okay. So when you say messy, how was it messy?
Well, because I think I went into the relationship
Too soon.
No. I went to the relationship with the mindset of taking more than giving. Yeah. So parang,
that's
kumbaga,
interesting.
you know, when you keep on taking and taking and taking from the relationship, it ends up being, kumbaga, wala na matitira, it's empty. And then eventually you find yourself parang, uy, how come it's not working out anymore? And so, you know, when things don't work out anymore, you think, oh, it's time to, break it off. And then I end up jumping into the next relationship, and then the next again, and the next again. So that went on for more than 10 years, more than maybe 13 years. So ever since I was in high school all the way until when I was working na. So that was messy.
Okay. Okay, let's just mention this,
Bigyan mo
okay?
nga yung background mo
Bigyan muna natin
Mr. Tangsok.
background. Mr. Toby Tangsok is a chemistry graduate from Ateneo during his college days.
Yeah.
He started his own distribution business, and right now he is an entrepreneur, and he says that just like in business, wherein there are certain principles you follow to be successful, it is the same way in relationships.
I just have...
Okay, so if I may ask, so admittedly, you're saying it's your fault.
Oo.
Yes.
When you say taking and taking from the relationship, parang it's somewhat being
Yes, it is.
selfish and self-centered.
Whether you know it or not, most people are parang we're there to serve.
Boys.
Yeah, we're there to serve ourselves. We're there to see what can I get out of this instead of what can I give, parang ganon. So I would rely on my partner to meet my needs, to make me happy, to complete me, parang ganon. And that tends to
admittedly, he said.
That tends to do a lot of damage in the relationship because you're there to take it.
When did you realize na, I'm so selfish in my relationship?
Did it take another person to make you realize that, or you just realized
What
that
happened?
on your own?
Well, the turning point was in 2010. I met the Lord. So, when I started to grow in my relationship with God, dun ko na realize na, hey, if there was one relationship na I need to pursue first or establish first, it's really with Him first.
Teka.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are
Fall
an
in
Ateneo
love with-
graduate.
Yes.
You should have met the Lord a long time
Yeah.
ago. Because Catholic school yun eh.
Yeah, I would say I heard about Him, pero to really know Him, as in to have a relationship with Him, is two different things.
Yes.
So-
Having a personal relationship
Yeah.
and knowing him are two different things.
You knew him academically.
Yes.
Because it's
I mean,
taught
in this country, you can't not hear about Jesus. You can't not hear about the Lord. You will, somehow, some way. But to really know Him
But
personally,
having a personal
it's different.
relationship, it's really
It's
different.
really
I
different.
get you.
It's really
I know where you're
different.
coming from.
So, na-compare ko yung the way God loves people, yung design niya compared to the way human love is, diba? See God kasi He loves us as is, where is. He's
Unfailing love, indeed.
Yeah.
Yes.
And when I realized my true value, yung I'm complete only in the Lord, and He's the one who gives that joy in my heart. You go into the relationship in a different person. So it's totally
Yes.
different talaga. Sobrang ibang-iba. So
Which means you met the Lord,
yes.
you knew yourself, you became less selfish kasi.
Yes.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
when you know,
Oh yeah, because when
you
you're
become more
over,
giving.
you are.
Exactly.
You are.
And when you have the fear of God in you,
Totoo.
everything just falls,
Sobra.
somewhat falls into place. But let us remember talaga na, growing up, alam natin about Jesus, but really having a personal relationship with Him is really different
Okay.
from just getting to know Him.
No, you compromise yourself when you went into a relationship with this new person. Diba?
It's-
Kasi,
it's- Yeah, well, it's actually the opposite. When God fills you with so much love, umaapaw siya eh. So you tend to have more to give to the person. It's not like I'm gonna get
Because
this
you're
from you
less
kasi
selfish
kulang
eh.
ako. I'm not getting from you because kulang ako. I'm giving to you because I'm actually
too much.
content and happy in the Lord that I can give more to you now. So can you imagine if there is a relationship na you're out giving each other, the relationship is so healthy. It's so happy. I would say.
But wait, let's go back to the topic earlier that how come you can say it's okay to wait for the right person?
Actually,
Where were you coming from?
Like, if I had to do it all over again, I would have. If I had to do it all over again, I would do it this way now. Kasi every time you enter
Rush.
into
Wait, in what sense?
to wait on the Lord. Kasi if I were to do it all over again and I had a chance na talagang kumbaga sa what I would probably do is I would place my heart in God's hands.
Fall in love with God first.
Yes. I would ask Him to nurture it. I would ask Him to protect it. And siya na bahala when and to who to give it away to at the proper time.
So, for example, ako kunwari,
Yes.
no, I have a relationship that I feel that it's not the right person or
Okay.
So, but then again, I don't leave that relationship. Diba?
Okay.
So, why do you think I settle for this relationship that I am not satisfied with or incomplete or unhappy with?
Because finding the fear of there's no one else.
Diba?
That's one of the reasons. The other one is
Did you have that feeling when you were...
that's why I kept on jumping from one relationship to another because I would always think I had this mindset that I would only be happy if I was with someone. I would only be happy or complete if I had
there
the
is
right,
somebody
the perfect person. But then eventually, no relationship is perfect. So you start to see imperfections in the person,
Yes.
diba?
But if you know the Lord, you will not look at the fault,
Yes.
but rather oversee it and just see the...
Yes,
what is
kasi
the
your
beautiful thing
hope-
about this
your hope is in the
Finding
Lord.
the imperfect person.
Yes. Yeah.
Diba? And then so you knew the Lord, you become selfless, you become more giving.
Yeah.
And then how did you find this right person?
Oh, okay. Well, my wife now, si Valerie, we actually met in a singles retreat because we were both serving already in ministry at the time. So we were both not looking for
Really,
someone.
really,
And funny how God just puts people into
Together.
together. And but I had to wait because I had nag-resolve na ako sa mind ko na I'm gonna wait on
Until He gives
God's
the right-
marching orders before I pursue another person. So I met her in January of 2012. It was literally about 9 months before I was able to tell her how I really felt because I was
First
really,
friends lang.
friends lang talaga. Friends lang
Actually,
talaga.
in that, in relation to that, I've always had this dream, business,
Yeah.
that I wanted to get into for 2 years now.
Okay.
This is the 3rd year actually. So every day, I talk to so many people presenting my project, blah,
Yeah,
blah, blah,
yeah,
blah, blah,
okay.
blah. And then I stopped.
Okay.
Siguro for the past 8 months or I stopped, tinigil ko na, nagsasawa na akong mag-present ng mga...
Okay.
One day, 2 weeks ago,
Uh-huh.
bigla na lang. And now we're renovating my place.
Wow.
Sabi ko nga, and then, so all the people that I've discussed this
Yeah.
business with, lahat sila sinasabi nila, talaga it pays to be patient and
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah. God's timing.
Even in, relationship,
Yeah.
business, hindi ko akalain. And now I have very good partners
Yes.
joining me in this business venture that we went into.
You can say it's worth it, diba?
Kasi actually,
Very
there's
worth
also a verse
It is.
in the Bible,
Yeah.
Ecclesiastes or
Yeah.
something. There's timing for everything. Time to weep, time to sow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alam mo, time,
Yeah.
lately, in the past 2 weeks, I have proven that.
That's
Yeah.
true.
That it's patience talaga is a virtue, and the right time will be given to you. And
There's
the right
a-
people, the right time.
Yeah.
Totoo.
It's the same with relationships. There's a verse in the Bible, sabi din na, do not awaken love until the proper time. So, God has a perfect timing on when He's
Yes.
gonna bring that person into your life.
Yeah. Let's go back to this
Beautiful.
question. So
Yeah.
why do you think people settle or compromise?
I think
Yeah.
it's the Hollywood, it's really the
No, let's
Hollywood
answer further.
perception of that, na
Oo.
parang, if it feels good, do it, na parang
If it's comfortable, do
if
it.
it feels right, do it. That's the Hollywood mentality. And
Kasi malakas ang influence ng Hollywood ng Western eh.
yeah,
That's why that the younger ones especially,
super.
your
Grabe,
age actually.
grabe.
Or actually even from my age group, ganun din. At that time siguro we were idolizing or looking up to Hollywood relationships,
It is.
Western style relationship.
Oo.
That's why maraming napahiwalay.
Sobra.
Maraming rushing into marriage, maraming premarital sex.
Yes. That's
Because of this
They,
image.
They sell you that lifestyle.
Because of the lifestyle
Because,
that they
because
see.
on TV they look so happy na parang they're such a beautiful couple. Diba?
Yan
Everything.
nga. You see this two beautiful couple,
Yeah.
so in love, demonstrating publicly
Yeah,
their love,
that's right.
and then all of a sudden, hiwalay. Okay lang. Kasi, di ba?
You have to look at their private life the life sa pagwala yung cameras. That's really who they are. And it's proven, some of these actors, they're 5 times divorced.
Yeah,
and they have
imagine.
children with different women and everything, diba? And another reason is, the society tells you na you are holding the pen of your life and you write your own story. When in truth, it's not naman eh. God is sovereign. He directs where we go,
Yes.
diba? So,
And so with this lady,
yes, my wife. Yes.
your wife, you were friends for 9 months.
Yeah.
And then after which you ask her out or what?
No, what we did was I asked my parents for their blessing if I can pursue. Well, first let me correct that. First I really sought God in prayer talaga, and
You prayed for her.
I prayed for her. I would read the Bible and I would let God move on my behalf. So He would arrange circumstances na magkakilala kami. And then to go, kasi from just acquaintances to become friends, to become good friends, He would arrange people, events, and circumstances para to
You'd be together.
to be closer,
Or
to know each other more, parang ganon. And then eventually when God said yes, I asked my parents for their blessing, and then I eventually told her how I felt, and then we asked her parents for their blessing. So,
Okay,
Did you know
Step
that
by step.
God said
Yeah,
yes?
I was gonna say that.
For
Actually,
someone kasi na...
That's
yes,
right.
yes. It's when you read the Bible kasi it's like a guide
Yeah.
to your life. And then how can you hear Him? First, when you go fasting, or when you really have a deep
that
and
what you
deep. Did you go fasting also? Did you do?
Fasting was one of the things that
Yeah.
I did.
If you
yeah.
have a deeper relationship, somehow madidinig mo siya eh.
Pag nagpa-fasting ka,
Especially pag nagfa-fast ka. When you do
That's
fasting.
one of them. That's one of them. But
The
you know,
Holy Spirit parang works.
yes. Kasi when you're
It's hard,
when you're
medyo
close
hard
to
to
God,
understand.
when you're close to God, when you read about Him, you will start to understand ano yung nature niya, how what He likes, what He doesn't like, and you would start to hear His voice. Na when you read the Bible, you would say, hey, He's talking to me through this story.
actually, I
or
do
through this
read
word.
the verses. Di ba meron mga, alam mo na, yung mga
Yeah.
daily bread,
That's
mga
right.
ganun, no?
Yeah.
I do read that and
Yeah.
almost every day.
Wow. Okay, great.
Yeah, just to guide me through life. I did not do that a long time ago.
Yes.
But now I'm a better person because I started reading. Siguro mga
See?
a few years, mga 7 years na 8. Or
Oh,
maybe
yeah.
10. But then again, what can you say to
Advice.
young men or
young men.
advice to young men who are single and
Single men and women today, what can you give them?
looking for
Advice.
the right, or single men and women?
Same as I said a while ago, if I were to do it again, place your heart in God's hands. Ask Him to protect it, to nurture it, and to let Him lead you and be the, wait on Him. Kung yung proper time na He will be the one to give it away to the person that He wants to give it away to. And, protect your purity at all costs. Kasi I remember every time that you would give yourself to someone who is not your wife or your husband, you give a piece of yourself away. And that's something you can never get back anymore. And so it's probably the best gift you can give your partner or your future wife or husband. Because that's what my wife did. I really thank God for my wife because she did it the right way. I did it all the wrong, all the kalokohan way before. So she did it the right way.
Minsan kasi mahirap intindihin that God will answer it.
Yes.
Diba? For especially younger.
Yes.
Could you just one side some para exemplify mo lang yung a few things that you realize that this is the right person.
How did God talk to him? Oo.
For
Okay.
example, may sign ba?
No.
Did you,
Do you believe in science?
No, I don't actually.
Yeah.
No, I
ako rin hindi eh.
don't.
No. It's
Si
really
Ella naniniwala sa sorry.
it's the it's the daily walk with the Lord. He will guide
You
you.
will feel it in
You
your
will feel
gut.
it. You will feel it.
It's you can't really describe it. You can't put it into words actually because
Yeah.
it's more of a feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There were many times I would ask God, Lord, pwede ko na bang sabihin kay Valerie how I feel and everything, and He would say, you just wait. And I would ask Him, I go,
In
Lord,
what way? In what
Yun
way?
nga, kasi, yeah.
Kasi di ba,
How do you know that?
I'm just trying to extract this because pag bata ka, hindi mo naiintindihan
Yes, that's right.
yan.
That's right.
You probably can kasi 30 ka na noon, 29. Pero pag ang bata is 12, 14, because we want them not to have girlfriends and boyfriends until the right time comes. So this is what we want to understand.
I'll give you an example. Like, for example, if you like someone and then sabi ng parents mo, anak, wag ka muna mag-boyfriend, mag-girlfriend. It's God's way of telling you na He doesn't want you to be in a relationship yet. Because He's using your parents to let you know na ito yung will niya for you. In my case, for example, when I started to read the Bible, there were verses like in Philippians, sabi niya is, guard your heart and mind so that you don't lose what you have worked hard for. So, I knew that God was telling me,
To wait.
Yeah, to wait.
Wait
Ganyan.
first.
Just one more question.
Okay. Sure.
Can you advise or send a message to the young people out there why it is worth waiting for the right person? Why is it important or valuable?
I can tell you from
Kasi
my own
life-changing
experience.
eh, di ba?
I can tell you from my own experience kasi nga my wife did it the right way. I was her first boyfriend.
Good.
I was her first and last, and then husband na ngayon. And she really saved herself for that person. She didn't know who I was before, but the idea of saving yourself for that one person that God has for you, and ako personally as a gift, that's one of the best things I ever received from my wife, more than any other gift. It's really her purity, kumbaga she gave herself to me buong buo. So ako as a recipient, I can tell people it's really worth it talaga.
So sa mga females, young ladies, talagang ideal to keep yourself pure.
That's right.
For your husband.
Yeah.
Diba? Sa males naman.
Yeah.
Bakit ideal, young males, bakit ideal intayin ang tamang babae para sa kanila? Or tamang partner?
Kasi for me, like for example, ako as a man, I don't want to hurt my future wife. Kasi knowing na kasi if you eventually you'll meet your future wife, and you will really love her, as in sobrang love her, and just the idea that you had past relationships before and you gave yourself to those people before, ma-hurt yung wife mo eh. So
Yes,
for me, parang for me, I don't want to. If I had to do it all over again, of course I didn't know all of this before. That's why I
Yes,
screwed
that's
up a lot.
That's why
diba?
we're here.
okay.
So
That's
we
good
want
a
them
lot.
to experience whatever
Yeah.
Exactly.
it will be parang mas make their life more happier.
That's
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much.
Hey.
It's such a short time, bitin, no? Anyway,